Clarendon couple murdered in front of their home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A businessman and his spouse were gunned down at the entrance of their home in Tollgate, Clarendon on Tuesday evening. They have been identified as 61-year-old Evan Francis and 46-year-old Alisa Francis. Reports are that around 5:30 p.m., the couple arrived at their Duke Street Tollgate home in a separate vehicles when Francis got out of his vehicle and proceeded to open the gate to the house when gunmen pounced and opened fire, hitting them before fleeing. The police were alerted, and upon the police arrival, the individuals were found with what appears to be gunshot wounds. Mr. Francis was found lying on his back in front of his Nissan Caravan motor vehicle, suffering from a gunshot wound to the upper body and the right wrist, while Miss Francis was seen slumped over the front seat of her Toyota Corolla Fielder motor car with a gunshot wound to the head and upper part of the body. They were pronounced dead at hospital. Unconfirmed reports are that the deceased are related to a taxi driver, Kendrick Francis, who was shot and killed in Tollgate on Monday. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.